Another advantage, speaking of the agile and time to market, it's our early test automation. We already discussed it preliminary that one of the challenges in the agile development and the test automation is time to market. Majority of test automation team worldwide in the industry, at least 1 or 2 releases behind developers. Why? Because tools like Selenium or any other tools can automate only against live application. If I'm a developer, from my perspective, as I release the build, it has to go to the automatic regression testing right away. But from the testing perspective, as soon as the build being released, it goes into the automation development. And therefore, they need to have a time to automate testing, right? So it takes at least the time of the one release or more. So with ZAPTEST, we're shifting left test automation. Due to our object recognition algorithm, we can automate based on the mockups. We don't need to have a live application. We can take any whiteboard drawing, wireframe, any graphical representation of user interface, and build entire test automation based on that. So that allows us to do 100% test automation time within SDLC. So we're always ahead of the developers with test automation readiness. Make sense? Yep.